My name is Britney Hebert, and I'm an attorney at Glenn Armentor Law Corporation. I've been practicing for about 15 years, and I've been here for about 11 years. We are surrounded here by experienced attorneys, and for me coming here 11 years ago as a new lawyer, I was immersed with attorneys that have loads of experience, both trial experience, helping clients, workers' compensation, and so it really allowed my practice to flourish and my abilities to grow being here. I am a compassionate, hardworking attorney who really cares and will fight for you. I grew up in a small town, just like many of my clients. I am from a rural area. I'm from Iota. My clients come to me usually out of desperation. I wish I had a nickel for every time one of them told me, Miss Britney, I'm not the type of person to get a lawyer. They're stressed. Many of them were injured so badly they can't go to work. They have to figure out how to pay the mortgage, how to get the kids to school. And I spend a lot of time with clients trying to explain things to them in a way that they can relate. Whenever you're horribly injured, you rely on a doctor to put your body back together, but you rely on an attorney like me to put your life back together. If insurance companies did what they were supposed to do, I would not have a job. I mean, that's just the reality. Insurance companies want to do everything to protect their bottom line, and the legal system has been made so difficult, and it's intentional on the part of those insurance companies. They want the process to recover to be very difficult so that lay people can't do it. These insurance companies are basically bullies, and so I am stepping in and I am taking on the fight for the little guy against that bully. I had a client that had a private investigator follow him into church and record them kneeling the other day in church, right? So there's no part of my clients' lives that is off limits to these insurance companies and to these defense attorneys. I want to do my very best to protect my client from any undue stress. So I act as their shield in that process. If your injuries are serious, get an attorney fast, because we're going to make your life easier. The best advice would be to come to an attorney as an initial evaluation and get the advice about what you should do strategically going forward to protect your job, to protect your life. I think an important thing for hiring an attorney is that they're local, they're compassionate. You need to like them. You need to be able to understand what they're saying, and they have the skills required to do the job. At Glenn Armentor, we help injured people.